Today, Dairyqueen decided to bring back their red velvet blizzard, and I decided to try it. It's the blizzard of the month. I don't know if they'll, well, I don't. Well, I'm pretty sure it's gonna probably just be here for just a limited amount of time or whatever. It ain't gonna just stay. But I decided to try it, and it has cake pieces in it. I'm gonna see. There you go. You can see it has the there you go. It has the cake pieces in it and cream cheese icing. I can taste they done a real good job of blending the cream cheese icing, because I'm pretty sure it's something that's not supposed to just be on top of the blizzard. They blend it in there, they mix it in there with the blizzard. Cream cheese icing, but I can taste the cake pieces that, as you can see them. I can taste that. I'm not really big on they blended it in there good. I mean the red velvet cake, it has like a minimal taste or whatever, where it's not just overpowering the blizzard. They just done a really good job of just mixing it up. It don't taste bad. The cake pieces, it's a pretty good texture. But it's Taco Tuesday. Got me some tacos. A nice day. But if you into red velvet cake, I'm not big on the red velvet. I really got the. See, I really prefer the stuff to be like the small little pieces, but I got more on the pieces of the chunkier side. I think that, I don't know if it's still small pieces or whatever you see. Look, but if you're into red velvet, go ahead on and get you one. I don't know how long it's gonna be around. It is the blizzard of the month. If your day didn't start off great, it's not too late to make it great. Okay? Okay.